this is my final farewell to all the bad. Hey guys, what is up? I am coming to you from Northern Ontario, hence the toque. I know, it's not just for the cute look. Anyways, I am going to share with you some things that I am going to say goodbye to in 2023, and I thought, what better way to do it than an evening of gluttony. Alrighty, so I am camped out at a hotel here for work Sunday night, so I have picked up Harvey's because I'm just gonna, and I probably ordered way too much food, but the challenge now is called Eat It All. So what do we have? Some fries. Oops. Had some fries. Oh, terrible. I'm terrible, I'm telling you. Alrighty, some fries. Okay. This is the worst part about apps. So in the past, Tim Hortons came out with an app. Tim Hortons is like the only fast food restaurant in my town. So burger, second burger, so baby burger and big burger, and deep fried pickles, because I love them, they're my favorite. And then yeah, my straw. So anyways, what I was saying is Tim Hortons came out with an app in my town, and with that I definitely took far too much advantage. They would have like different I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is gonna be a hard video to film, I'm telling you. So anyways, they would have different like coupons, so would be the word. Anyways, and yeah, it would just be far too convenient to order it, run downtown and pick it up. Amazing, I know. So anyways, I am going to have this burger and fries and kind of share with you some things that I will be giving up in 2023 and embracing gluttony. So I will tell you that this video is not sponsored by Harvey's, but Harvey's, feel free to reach out to me and sponsor me. I'd love it. Anyways, so this is a sideways burger. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's definitely got a lot of toppings. Oh, And so yeah, it's got some pickles on it, it's got some cheese on it, and it is their Angus. Oh, and I apparently, this is the thing with apps, like, I didn't even realize it, but I forgot. I totally added onion rings to it, so here we go. Okay, first bite, nothing but pickles, but it has to do with the sidewaysness of it. I'm like a weird eater about this. It's like the pickles on the side. I just need to take it out. Pickles are like my favorite food. Anyways, and so really what I want to share with you today will be the three things that I am going to be saying goodbye to in 2023. This is going to be a messy burger. And gosh, these are my work clothes. So, anyways, three things that I'm going to say goodbye to in 2023. Oh my gosh, that is a good burger. I haven't eaten in a while. I've been on the road, a little bit of a long trip here. But anyways, yeah, I want to get started and kind of share with you what sort of things I will be taking out or changing in my life. 2023. There's somewhat of a conscious effort. I'm just kind of making those differences and those changes for me. So, let's get started. So for the record, I put a garlic mayonnaise and a Harvey sauce on this. I have no idea what Harvey sauce is. The picture kind of looks like a Thousand Island sauce. I think it might be similar to that. And it is so good. It's a ridiculous amount of calories, don't get me wrong. But my gosh, is it delicious. So anyways, this video is really a farewell or an ode to these items. To an extent. Okay. So, I was gonna make it a full-blown farewell and ode to these items, but turns out the liquor stores are closed at 6. And I got here and it's after 6 now. So, with that being said, not everything can happen. You know what I'm saying? So instead, we're going to have a little mock with some blonde lager, because, so this is non-alcoholic, so unfortunately not the real thing to share with you, but concept's still the same, still oozing out. But 2023 will be the year that I say goodbye to alcohol. Alrighty? Because I'm thinking about it, and it's like, what good has alcohol done in my life? It's kind of like this poison and this toxin that you put into your body. Now your body has to work to expel it. Kind of the same way. It's going to be working to expel all of this later. But I'm just over with it. I'm just saying. Anyways. So yeah. But this toxin into your body, nothing good really comes from drinking alcohol at the end of the day. And here's the other point that I want to make. I drink alcohol now, but they make fabulous non-alcoholic beers and wine, cocktails. There's even like a non-alcoholic gin that you can get that is supposed to be like gin. So yeah, tons of great options, and you don't need to have the alcohol with it. So the one issue that I do have is the cost of the non-alcoholic beverages still tends to be a bit high. It's almost on par with the cost of alcoholic beverages. And a can versus, like, you know, a beer on draft, you tend to get a little bit more in the beer on draft. And I know I'm all about economics. So, how about I just reserve those non-alcoholic drinks for, like, times when I want, like, a special occasion drink. So, that for me is what I am going to be saying goodbye to in 2023. First item, no more alcohol. I thought about like cooking and stuff like that because I tend to use a lot of alcohol. No, I don't actually tend to use a lot of alcohol in cooking. In the past, I did use a lot of alcohol in cooking actually when I was younger. Not of age. Had to have my parents buy it so I could make food for the family because I love to cook for the family. Not because that was my job. I just love doing it. Anyways, so I digress. But yeah, saying goodbye to alcohol in 2023 is gonna help me with my money, and it's also going to just, you know, have one less toxin that I'm putting in my body. Another one that this is definitely like a recent habit that I've developed. I'm gonna say I totally didn't do it in the past. It goes back to kind of how I want to foresee and live my life in the future. So for me, I really love the idea of being more mindful. Being more mindful in my everyday life, being more mindful in the way I'm living, and being more mindful in what I have in my life. So with that being said, this thing I'm doing right now, no more of this. So 2023 is my year to end distracted eating. Okay? This is amazing sauce. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch over soon. Alrighty, so in 2023, I'm gonna end distracted eating. What does that mean? I want to stop eating in front of the TV. That has become like a huge thing we tend to do in our household on a regular night. Also, this would be distracted. No chitty chat with you guys. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm here to focus on my food. And what I really want to do from that is taste it. Okay, so these are my favorite thing. These are also my favorite thing. And really, what I want to tell you is that I've decided in 2023 to make some changes to really be a healthier person. And treat my body with the respect that it really deserves and that it hasn't been getting. So, yeah, I want to embrace food and all of that. Everything that goes along with embracing the food. So these are called deep fried pickles and they're the best. I don't know if in other countries deep fried pickles are as big as they are here. Let me know. They're so good. I drooled a little. So, this is one of my farewells. Farewells to all the bad that I've been doing. I always feel like you need that one bad night to really like kind of change things for you. You know, gonna go on a different path. So anyways, this is the year for me that I eat healthier. I would say that what I found lately is I've had a change to my diet, without a doubt. So, let's do it. This one I don't know how much of it I'm actually gonna eat. This is a chicken burger. So in the chicken burger here, I just added hot peppers, tomato, chipotle sauce, and barbecue sauce on just a small little chicken burger. It's very saucy, not very hot. This is my final farewell to all the bad. All those bad things. All those bad habits. It's kind of like, remember, like when you're younger and you have that really bad night where maybe you drank a little too much and the next morning you find yourself saying, I'm never gonna drink again. Well, there's some limitations and there's some rules around this because it's really hard to just really cut something out. This is what I mean when I say no more fries. I mean, no more going to the store and buying the bag of fries with the deep fried pickles and putting them in the air fryer. There's no more going out to eat and ordering their fries. All this we need to say goodbye to. So yeah, 2023. No more fries. What I am gonna allow myself is, I call them fried Fridays, but basically it's creating items by hand in the house. Oops. Or like pub type food. At home. I will allow myself to go out to eat. It's just I'm going to be a little more conscious in my decisions and not let the easiness of an app and the fact that you can order a ton of food on an app and not have any judgment about how much you're eating. It's like binging without shame. I don't know. But yeah, you can do all that. But really, at the end of the day, this is really good. Very salty. So I don't know about you, but I definitely dump my fries. I love dumping my fries. So I totally have a way of eating fries. You know what? Because I'm giving up fries for 2023, and I'm just saying for a year, because I mean, who knows what 2024 holds. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my pro tips for doing french fries. Alrighty. So let's put this burger to the side. Okay, you see my fries here? This is how I do fries. I think I'm genius. Put them in my mouth like that. Anywho, that's not working. Step 1, white vinegar. Okay? Put white vinegar on the fries. Yeah, you see this? This is happening. This is really happening. This is happening, guys. Okay, so put some white vinegar on the fries. After the vinegar is on, next thing, salt. Because the vinegar, beautiful, helps the salt stick to the fries. Oh, yeah. That's why McDonald's, I think they take it right out of the air fry or the oil and then like straight onto the salt, so it sticks. Genius move. Vinegar does the same thing. Next, just a little bit of ketchup in the corner for dipping. And that is how you make french fries. Okay. So let's see. I'm really in the mood and ready to make some big changes in 2023. I just had a thought. 2023, along with distracted eating and stopping my distracted eating habits, I need to stop eating if I'm full. Not screaming down the key. I know what it is, but it's kind of like Lent in a way, but no. So I'm not Catholic, but I grew up in like a town that was, and a lot of my friends would always talk about like what they're giving up for Lent. For me, a whole new year rolls around. I'm ready to make some big changes in my life. I'm ready to commit to those changes too. I'm finding the right way to get it done, and how do I do that? Probably was hungrier than I anticipated when I did this. I'm getting quite full. But there's so many fries left. I should have just got a burger and fries. What was I thinking? So yeah. What big changes do you have in store for you in 2023. Ketchup. You a Heinz or a French's person? I kind of feel like I'm getting done. But there's totally this other side of me that's like, if I don't finish all the fries, it's probably gonna smell like fries in my room for the next few days that I'm here. Totally not fun. Oh my god. I don't think I can do this anymore.